Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this intense foot cream from AHAVA. This is their Derma Mud Intense. So this stuff is awesome, and I'm gonna start off with the smell. It is such a light, simple fragrance. I'm in love with it. When I put this on at night before I go to bed, it's just a soothing smell to me. So it's kind of a mixture of, oh, this is the lotion. So the smell is kind of a mixture between a little bit of spice maybe and like I kind of smell oatmeal too, but this is just such an amazing cream. So in this product, some of the moisturizing agents in there are shea butter, which is huge, jojoba seed oil. Um, it is got coconut oil in it. All of these are gonna help moisten your skin. It also has lavender in there, which is good for pretty much everything, including skin. I really don't smell too much lavender, a little bit of maybe soapy lavenders in there, but this stuff is awesome with all the nourishing ingredients inside. It works wonders if you have dry feet or cracked feet. I've been using this at night. I've been trying every night for a long period of time, and I've seen a huge difference. I really like this product. A little goes a long way, and I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.